to clean your coins. So first you need to go to the kitchen, something that you can hit it with. Okay, I'm in my bathroom. Hold on, guys. I just need to... Oh. Alright, now that I have my cup, make sure it's a little cup. It has to be a plastic cup so you don't waste dishes. I'm going to close the door. Now, you wash it in cold water 2 times. Now with soap. Well, the second time you need to wash it with soap. So you have water. Now pour it out. Now fill it up with warm water. Put this in a little bath. Okay, whichever one says hot and cold, make sure you put the hot in front of the cold. Oh, it needs to be hot water, but not that hot over the water. Now that you have warm water, you put some soap inside, and then you put some more soap inside with your hand. You're only supposed to put it with your hand. Now, you pour the water out, wash it, hot water, but no soap, no nothing, just water. And make sure it's like this at the bottom. It won't float, so if you're trying to test it, it won't float. Now, as you can see, there's coins inside. Now, you pour some water out and just leave this bit, and then you turn the cold water off a little more, and then it will start getting more hot. And as you can see, it's bubbles here. There. Then you pour the water out. You don't have to squeeze it, but I'm going to squeeze the water out. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. So I'm just showing you. Now let's turn off the water for this. Alright. Make sure you have all your coins. Then you take one of your wipes. So then pour it out into your hand. It will be clean, trust me, but it will smell like it's still dirty. Now, you take a wipe where you're gonna have to go back to the sink, and here's my wipe. Make sure it's all big like this. Now, wrap it in. You might be able to see here the circle. Make sure it's really cold water. But don't break it, because the cold water can break it, because then it won't turn out good. Now make sure you tap it, tap, until you can see it with the wipe. Now turn off the water and turn on the hot water. If your hand is really cold, make sure you heat it up. Now turn it off. Now don't break it, like I said. Don't. Now, alright, so I'm right over here. Now I'm drying the coins right here. So now that you've dried the coins, you need to make sure that it smells like soap. It kind of smells stink, which it should smell like that for a few days. And then you have to wash it for a few days. But that's all for today's video. Next, I'm going to be doing, well, this is not the end of the video. Next, I'm going to be doing some entertainment. If this didn't entertain you and you didn't have fun, then I don't know what would. Alright, so now you separate the big coins from the pennies, the quarters from the pennies. Now you need, how you know it's a quarter and a penny, you measure it like this. See, they all stack together. So that's how I know that it's a quarter. And this is 5 cents, so that one only has 1. So I call these groups and families because they actually look like families, and which family has died and which has not. So you see, if the 5 cents family died, it would only be 1. And then that one died too, so 0. And then they're the mom and the dad, so if they died too, 1 second. They died. And there's only 5 people left in their family, and they died too. So now there's 0. It's kind of like math, but it isn't math. I was just making an example. I call them groups and families. Now, they don't die. They all make a family together. So I have 5 for the quarters. Let's count the quarters. I'm going to show you. 1. Look, I have multiple, so I'm not showing you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's multiple. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if they didn't die, they would make a whole family together. And that would be their kids. So